Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're doing this bright green and red makeup look. The color is inspired by the Venus flytrap. For this look, I'm using the Blightmoon palette by Nioricorn. To start this look, I'm using the Lumen shade, which is this bright yellow, and putting it in the crease and blending towards the eyebrows. Then I'm using the green Blightmoon and putting this in the outer corners in the crease. Then next, using the Bloodstone shade, which is a dark burgundy red, and putting this on the outer and inner corners, and very lightly blending it in with the green. You don't want to do too much blending or it might start to look a little brown in color. Then using that same red underneath the eye. Next, using the Ruby Flame shade, which is the sparkly red, and putting this over where we put the previous red. Next, we're using the Chimeweed shade, which is this light iridescent sparkly green, and putting this in the middle of the eye and blending into the red. Then adding some of the green sparkles above the crease as well. And that completes this red and green Venus flytrap inspired makeup look. I was inspired to do this look by the interesting colors in this palette, and I think it turned out to be a pretty color combination. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.